Hello, young artists! Today, we're diving into the world of colors and creativity. Are you ready for a vibrant adventure? We're going to draw a beautiful rainbow flower together. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your pencils, because we're about to sketch something truly magical, a rainbow flower. Are you excited? Now, it's time to bring our rainbow flower to life. Grab your black marker and let's start drawing. Let's add 7 lovely petals around our circle. Now, let's give our flower a cheerful personality. How about a big, friendly smiley face in the center? Time to extend our flower's connection to the earth. Let's draw a stem and a leaf. And now, let's make our creation pop by outlining it boldly and sharply with our black marker. Our rainbow flower is ready to bloom. Now, let's infuse it with a burst of colors. Are you ready to name the colors of the rainbow? Yellow color. Pink color. Purple color. Indigo color. Blue color. Green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color. Bottle green color. Green color. Tada! Our rainbow flower is an explosion of colors. I'm so proud of your creativity. Keep exploring and sharing your fantastic artwork with us. Until next time, keep creating, keep blooming, and let your colors shine bright. Bye for now, my fantastic artists. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.